Before you scroll, did you know one country is bigger than a planet? A desert was once green and an ocean is larger than all land combined? These are 50 geography facts that will completely change how you see our world. Number 1. Russia. This country is so massive that if you place it over Pluto, it actually covers more area. It stretches across 11 time zones, touching Europe, Asia, the Arctic, and the Pacific all at once. You could travel for hours inside it and still not leave, while different regions experience different seasons at the same time. Number 2. Africa. This continent holds the record for having the most countries in the world, 54 in total. It's the second largest by size and home to the longest river on Earth. With nearly every climate zone and thousands of ethnic groups, it's one of the most diverse places on the planet. Number 3. Mount Everest. Standing higher than anything else on Earth, this mountain is still growing. Every year it rises a few millimeters as tectonic plates continue to collide. Powerful earthquakes can even change its height, and millions of years ago, it was hidden beneath an ocean. Number 4. Pacific Ocean. Covering nearly a third of Earth's surface, this ocean is larger than all the land on the planet combined. It hides the deepest point on Earth and contains thousands of islands that influence global weather patterns. Number 5. Antarctica. This frozen land may look icy, but it's actually the driest desert on Earth. It receives less rainfall than the Sahara, yet stores about 70% of the planet's fresh water as ice. No permanent human population lives here. Number 6. India. Dal Lake. Here exists one of the world's most unusual post offices. Located on Dal Lake in Srinagar, it operates from a houseboat, delivering mail by boat and attracting visitors from around the world. Number 7. Chile. This narrow nation may look thin on the map, but it stretches over 4,000 kilometers from north to south. It's longer than the distance from India to Japan and contains deserts, glaciers, volcanoes, and massive mountain ranges. Number 8. Sahara Desert. This vast desert wasn't always dry and lifeless. Thousands of years ago, it was green, filled with rivers, lakes, and wildlife. Ancient cave paintings of animals like giraffes reveal how dramatically Earth's climate has changed. Number 9. Japan. This island nation is made up of more than 6,800 islands, yet only a small number are inhabited. Sitting on the Ring of Fire, it experiences frequent earthquakes, and many of its islands were formed by volcanic activity. Number 10. Greenland. This massive island is the largest on Earth. Nearly 80% of it is covered in ice, some of it more than 3 kilometers thick, and as this ice melts, it directly affects global sea levels. In part 2, even more shocking geography facts from around the world are coming. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You won't want to miss what's next.